today we discuss the fuzzy set, the fundamental concept of fuzzy set and its application in our real life. So information and complexity. Information is very essential to solve the problem, analyze the problem and also take the decision for the decision making system. So the information have a complexity and need to simplify to reduce the complexity of the information. So during the simplification, some information will be lost and these loss will be managed. These are called the uncertainty. So the information loss for reducing the complexity of the system to manageable level is expressed in the uncertainty. The fuzzy system why and when for uncertainty management in the problem. The uncertainty appear in the parameter level as well as the situation. Parameter level means those are the attributes which are required to define the problem, and the situation which are the event are occur for the problem or due to the problem. So there are some words are to be used to collect the information or give the opinion according to the problem, like tall man, hot day, long street, large number, young, very young, sharp corner. So these are the words. So these words are represent the situation, or these words used to provide the information according to the problem, but these words have not any specific information like 0.5 or 25%. These type of information are not there. So these situations are the linguistic imprecision, and fuzzy logic word with linguistic term which are inherently imprecise and subject specific. Fuzzy logic enable us model the human reasoning process at a higher level, model the real life situation and use it as a tool for finding the solution to a problem. Fuzzy logic managed by the fuzzy set, and traditional or classical and Boolean logic managed by the Kipps set. So these are the actual situation or complexity based on the Kipps set. If the temperature less than 80 degree Fahrenheit, so these are called, this situation is called not hot. When the temperature is above 80 degree Fahrenheit, that indicate or we consider this is hot. But what will be happen if the actual temperature is 80 degree Fahrenheit? This is hot or this is not hot. This situation is conflict and not specific. So this situation is managed by the fuzzy system or fuzzy set. So the drawback of the Kipps logics. The membership function of the Kipps logics will either 0 or 1. That means a particular object belongs within the Kipps set if the object fulfill the criteria of the set. Otherwise, the object does not belongs within the set. Here, the temperature is 100 degree Fahrenheit, that is hot. Temperature is 80.1 degree Fahrenheit, that is hot. But the temperature is 79.9 degree Fahrenheit, that is not hot, and temperature is 50 degree, that is also not hot. But the difference between the temperature 18.1 Fahrenheit and the 79.9 Fahrenheit, that is 0.2 degree. So this 0.2 degree variation can accepted by the Kipps set or cannot be accepted by the Kipps set. So these are the actual complexity of the keep set. So this situation can be managed by the fuzzy logic. According to the fuzzy set, all the object belongs within the fuzzy set with a membership function or membership value. This membership value indicate that how much percentage or how much amount of criteria of the set is fulfilled by the object. These indicate the membership of the object. Okay, if the object fulfill all the criteria of the set, so the membership value will be 1. If the object does not fulfill a single percent of criteria of the criteria of the set, so the membership value of the object will be 0. In this way we can be manage the situation. These are the basic concept of the fuzzy set. What is the difference between the fuzzy and probability? Both belongs between the 0 or 1. That means the fuzzy membership value, the lowest fuzzy membership value is 0 and maximum value is 1. The fuzzy membership not equal to probability. Fuzzy membership that indicate the percentage, whereas the probability indicate the frequency. Here give the example of the fuzzy and probability. The fuzzy versus probability. These are the fuzzy set and probability. Both are the mathematical tools to handle the uncertainty. The fuzzy set manage the partially or imprecise information, as well as the information is not fully reliable or imprecision in the language. For example, understanding the human speech, recognizing the handwriting character. So where the actual information are not available, so in this situation the decision maker can give their opinion, or expert can give their opinion in linguistic format. That means that is acceptable or may be, may not be, such kind of word are used. So those words can be managed by the fuzzy. The probability, this is the random process, i.e. where the occurrence of the event are determined by the chance. That is the uncertainty also there in the probability, but this is specific. That means when we toss a coin, so there may be two events, either head or tail. The probability or chance of occurrence of head is 50%, as well as the chance of occurrence of the tail, that is also 50%. So these are the event managed by the probability. The example of the keep set and fuzzy set. Keep set, boy pass in the first division. So the boy pass, though the boys who are passes a certain level, that is first division, so those boys belongs a set. All rows, girls reading in IIT, that means the girls who are study in IIT, these are the specific. Men with height above or equal to 6 feet, person with age less than 10 years, person with age greater than equal to 18 years. That means the person who is or 18 years, so this person belongs in the keep set. Person with age above 65 years, cars with price more than 6 lakhs. So these are the example of the keep set. Whereas the good boy, red flower, intelligent girls, tall man, young man, adult, old, and expensive car, they have no such kind of specific limit are there to measure the good boy, red flower, intelligence girl, tall man, young man, adult, old, and expensive car. Expensive car, if we consider the expensive car, if the price of the expensive car is 2 lakh for a man whose income is 10,000, so in respect of those person can be considered as a expensive car, whereas the person who earn 50,000 per month, in respect of the person, these are not the expensive car. Okay, these are the real life of application. The household product like washing machine, air condition, microwave oven, rice cooker, digital camera, toys, and commercial purpose intelligent vehicles, transport system, banking system, fuzzy washing machine. These in different field we use the fuzzy set or fuzzy logic. Thank you.